Komatsu offers a suite of smart construction solutions, and one of the things that we're really focusing in on now is the drone solution. So we can help our customers map out their sites. In addition with that, we can provide 3D modeling solutions as well. Komatsu in their smart construction marketplace has a lot of solutions that customers can benefit from, such as the drone, dashboard, smart construction field, and then they have a host of solutions as well that a customer can have an all-inclusive solution for them to be able to manage their job site. It's another mechanism support that we can help our customers to be more effective, more efficient, and to move dirt and not have to move it as many times. Just be a matter of contacting us at Linder, and we can dispatch our TSEs or technology solutions experts to explain that to them and also fly their site, and we have the opportunity to provide 3D models as well.
As customers are adopting technology, whether it's GPS or drones, it's getting more and more competitive out there. So at the beginning of a job, you can utilize the information that you get from the drone to estimate or bid the job a little more accurately. We can use it to track a little more accurately the amount of material they're moving, which, at the end of the day, instead of worrying about truckload counts and inaccurate ways of measuring how much material they move, they can make sure that they're accurate, which means that they're getting paid accurately as well. They're more efficient. There are some times that maybe having a designated drone pilot on staff would be beneficial. Sometimes, depending on the cost, it may be more beneficial to have us perform that service for you, because then it would be on a per flight or per survey kind of basis. The drone is just one more tool that we can use to connect what's happening in the field with what the guys in the office are seeing. So between smart construction applications like field, all of that information will integrate into other solutions like office or dashboard, where everybody in the office can kind of have it in one central area and be able to pull whatever information they need out of it. We try to partner with them, help them grow into the technology, find ways that they can utilize that in different applications, and when the need arises, then help train their staff, their employees, on how to utilize the technology themselves.
Steve Fuller. I cover Jacksonville, Florida.
Jay Richardson out of Orlando, Florida.
Noah Pulowski, Tampa, Fort Myers, Miami, and West Palm.
Ryan Dean. I cover upstate South Carolina and Asheville, North Carolina.
Ryan Waite. I cover Charlotte and Greensboro.
Andrew Stickle. I cover Eastern North Carolina.
Evan Porter. I cover the South Carolina territory.